Hi, welcome. I'm going to talk to you today about one of the most popular oils, and that is Thieves Essential Oil Blend. Everyone is using this right now, and of course, as I'm recording this, it is winter and there's lots of junk going around. Thieves is the oil you want to have on hand. So the way we use Thieves is we diffuse it, so we use it aromatically. We also put it on our skin, so we use it topically, and we take it internally. If you have sensitivities to clove or cinnamon, you may want to reconsider using this on your skin. Maybe just try diffusing it. If you have an allergy to those things or are sensitive, it does have clove and cinnamon, so it is a very hot oil. So just keep that in mind before you use it. Also, check with your doctor before you do anything different or change something. But Thieves is great for any kind of junk going on in the body. I like to use it like right on my tongue. I'll take 3 or 4 drops about 3 or 4 times a day and just drink water afterward. To me, it's kind of hot. The clove is really spicy, but that really helps to get rid of anything that's going on in my body. Like I said, I will diffuse it. I'll put 4 or 5 drops in the diffuser, sometimes more. Sometimes I'll add lemon to that. But it works great to get rid of those things. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you don't have Thieves, you should really get it and use it. Thanks.